Hello everyone. Today very simple task for us. We would like to restore some files that has been deleted from OneDrive or SharePoint, and we would like to restore some data that someone deleted from our file, for example, Excel file. So let's just take a look at OneDrive and SharePoint and see how to do it. Okay, firstly, mm, let's imagine that we just by mistake delete some files from our OneDrive. For example, the banner file. Just delete it. What to do? Very simple way. In very simple way, we can just delete from recycle bin. The recycle bin is here, and we can just restore. Click on the file, click restore button. But if the file is not showing here, you can just go to the second stage recycle bin. The second stage is this. In the second stage, recycle bin is space when files is moved from a recycle bin after some period of time. Okay, I don't have any file here. If you cannot find any file in the recycle bin or second stage, it was permanently deleted from OneDrive and no possibility to restore it. Okay, so let's restore banner file. Let's click restore, and this file will be moved to my files. Yep, as you can see. So very simple way. In the same way, you can restore files from SharePoint. So let's switch to the SharePoint document library and see how it works. So let's imagine that I just delete the A folder. Delete, yes, I want to delete. And it will be moved to a recycle bin. I can just click the file and click the button restore. If you cannot find any file here, you can just scroll down a little bit and you can find the second stage recycle bin, and it works in the same way than in OneDrive because you know the OneDrive and SharePoint is the same technology. So let's just restore this file, click file, restore, and the folder will be moved to document. Okay, let's switch one more time to OneDrive and let's imagine that you have the Excel file and you share this file with someone else, and somehow someone deletes some data from Excel. What to do? Okay, let's just take a look at the file, what is inside. This is some basic data. So let's imagine that I just delete this column, all column. Okay, close the file. After I open again, of course there is no C column, someone deleted. What to do? No issue. Each file on OneDrive or SharePoint have opportunity to restore. There is something like version history. You can click the file and find the option version history. Yep, it's here. There is some version here because I create the file today, put some data, and this is the activity that I performed about 1 minute ago. I just delete some column. So I can probably find the data here in this version. So what I can do with this version, I can just click these three dots and open file, delete version, it will be deleted all, or restore. What will happen if I restore? If I click restore, this version will be the first one, the version 6. Let's see how it looks like with data that I delete. Let's click restore. Okay, it's locked because I open in different browsers. So let me just close it and do it again. Okay, version history, and restore this version. Restore. As you can see, the new version has just shown here. So let me just open the file here. Voila! There is C column. Great. So basically you can find all version of your file in the version history, starting from the beginning when the file has been created. This is a great opportunity to restore whatever you would like to restore from this. The same opportunity you have in SharePoint. So let's just switch to the SharePoint and present in. I'm going to close it. As you can see, I have some Excel file, the same. Let me just open the file. I just put some column in this free column. So I'm going to delete the C column. Delete. Okay, there is no color. Let me just close the file. Refresh the browser and you can see that it was modified a few seconds ago. So let me just open the file. As you can see, there is no color on C column. And check the version history. Click three dots, click the version history. So probably this is the change that I made here. So I need to use this version. The menu, it looks a little bit different than OneDrive, but it works in the same way. Let me just click here and restore it. Okay, there is message. You are about to replace the current version with the selected version. Okay. As you can see, then the new version has showed here. I can open clicking from here, but view. Let me just close the windows and open from the SharePoint here. Click open. There is C column. Okay, so in this way, in the OneDrive and the SharePoint, you can restore any file history from the version history. That's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.